Hi, I'm Chan Mao, a community evangelist at Alexio. In this last video, we just talked about what paging storage is, and in this video, we will be talking about the benefits of using paging storage.
So let me actually draw you a diagram. Think about you have a file. The file consists of maybe multiple different blocks, spans multiple blocks, and each block is 64 megabytes by default. And in the current Alexio design, without enabling the paging storage, if you read 1 megabytes here, and the entire 64 megabytes will be stored in your caching storage. So think about if you have a very sequential writing workloads, and this is perfect because everything will be useful, and also you don't have too many blocks, which can be a pressure to the metadata service. However, these days, more and more workloads, especially in the SQL analytics workloads, are exercising in the non-sequential pattern to read the data, especially think about you have a Trino, you have Presto, reading a Parquet or ORC files. And in that case, you can see a lot of times the applications are reading across different parts of the data and seeking to different offsets. And they only touch a small part of the file. In that case, reading entire 64 megabytes into the caching storage will actually waste a lot of space because you don't really need so much data. So instead of having the entire 64 megabytes in the storage as the caching unit, we divide this into smaller granularity at 1 megabytes. And in this case, whenever you read something in here, only this page will be cached. And if you have, for example, a sequential read, then we can just touch multiple sequential pages. So as you can see, this is the optimization, especially for the type of non-sequential and random positioning reading workloads. And based on our benchmark, it provides on-par performance on the non-sequential reading, right? But it saves a lot of capacity space. So for the same type of performance, you can get more cost benefits.
So far we've gone over what paging storage is and the benefits of using it. In the next video, we'll be going over how paging storage is implemented in Alexio. Make sure to follow our LinkedIn and Twitter to stay up to date with our latest news and events. Thanks for tuning in to our mini-series on paging storage. See you in our next video.